Dear students, in the last week, week 2, you have gone through the various TQM concepts, statistical concepts and the probability. You have also attempted the assignment 2 and there were total 25 MCQ type questions. I am discussing the solution of assignment 2 and this will help you to understand in detail the logic behind the various questions. Question 1. Which one is the example of appraisal cost? A. Warranty repair cost. B. Training cost. C. Inspection cost. Or D. All of the above are correct. Solution is answer is C, that is the inspection cost. Question 2. Which one is not the example of prevention cost? A. Cost associated with quality engineering. B. Workers training expenditure. C. Cost associated with statistical process control. And D. Cost of rework. The answer is D, and cost of rework obviously is not the part of prevention, and the other options A, B and C can be seen as the preventive measures. Question 3. Which one is not the pillar of total quality management? A. Top management's direct involvement. B. Continuous improvement in the theme. C. Only the participation of experts. And D. Strong customer orientation. The answer is C. Only the participation of expert is not the pillar of TQM. Question 4. Which one is the objective of TQM? A. To enhance the profit. B. To improve process. C. None of the above. Or D. All of the above. The answer is B. To improve the process. Question 5. The focus of TQM is on number 1 top management, number 2 customer and number 3 employee. The correct option is A. Only 2, B. 1 and 2, C. 2 and 3 and D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is C. 2 and 3. TQM focuses on customers and employees, external customer and internal customer as we understand, and if you take care of these two customers, then automatically your business will improve and the performance is assured. Question 6. Six Sigma focuses on A. Reducing defects. B. Improving profitability. C. Option A and B both are correct. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Reducing defects. Reducing variability and defect is the prime focus of Six Sigma. Question 7. Six Sigma production means the distance between upper acceptable limit and lower acceptable limit is 6 times the standard deviation of the process. 3.4 ppm defects. Option A and B both are correct. D. None of the above. The answer is B. 3.4 ppm defects. Question 8. The cost of poor quality is appraisal cost, prevention cost, internal failure cost or external failure cost. The correct option is A. Only 1, B. 1 and 2, C. 1, 2 and 3 and D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The answer is D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, all the costs including appraisal, prevention, internal and external are the cost of poor quality, hence option D is correct. Question 9. In which step of DMAIC root cause analysis is performed? A. Measure, B. Control, C. Improve, D. Analyze. The correct answer is D. Analyze. Root cause analysis comes under analyze phase and hence the option D is correct. Question 10. 3 Six Sigma production means A. The distance between upper acceptable limit and lower acceptable limit is 6 times the standard deviation of the process. B. The distance between upper acceptable limit and lower acceptable limit is 3 times the standard deviation of the process. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Distance between upper acceptable limit and lower acceptable limit is 6 times the standard deviation of the process in 3 sigma production. We are looking at plus or minus 3 sigma with respect to mean and hence it is 6 sigma. Question 11. A research lab contains 4 machines A, B, C and D and 4 operators Lohit, Amit, Rishabh and Bibekananda. Amit is not familiar with machine A. All other operators can operate any machine. How many operator machine pairs can be considered in a designed experimentation? A is 16, B is 15, C is 256, D's data is insufficient. The correct answer is B, 15, and you can see the combinations that as Amit is not familiar with machine A, machine N K can be assigned to 3 operators only and hence 3, whereas machine B, C and D can be assigned to any of the operator and this 4 plus 4 plus 4 and this is equal to 15. Question 12. In how many ways an instructor can award 2 black belts from among 7 applicants and 3 green belts from among 9 applicants? You have 4 options: A 21168, B 105, C 1764, D 778. The answer is C 1764. You can compute it as 7C2 into 9C3 which is 21 into 84 equal to 1764. Question 13. P, Q and R are 3 mutually exclusive set of outcomes from an experiment. Check all the options and find out which set of probability assignment is possible. Probability of P is equal to 0.57. Probability of outcome Q is 0.24. Probability of outcome R is 0.19 and probability of P intersect Q is 0.10. You have option B. Probability of outcome P is 0.64, outcome Q is 0.38, outcome R is minus 0.02. C. Probability of outcome P is 0.35, Q is 0.52 and R is 0.26, and similar way you have option D where all the probabilities are equal, that is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. The correct answer is D. As you can see that in case of mutually exclusive events, probability of P intersect Q is 0, total probability cannot exceed 1 and the probability cannot be negative. So, the first 3 options A, B, C are ruled out and the correct option is D. Question 14. In an experiment, a dice is thrown twice. What is the probability of getting 2 numbers whose product is odd? 0.5, 0.75, 0.25 or 0.4? The solution answer is C, 0.25. You can see that total options available NS is equal to 6 into 6, 36, and if we look at the favorable events as 11, 13, 15, 31, 33, 35, 51, 53 and 55. So, total number of favorable events are basically 9 and probability is NE divided by NS, which is 9 by 36 equal to 0.25. Question 15. one card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that the card is either a king or queen? Option A 1 by 13, option B 3 by 13, option C 2 by 13, option D 4 by 13. The correct answer is C. We have total 52 options, and out of 52 cards there are 4 kings and 4 queens. So, in a very simplest way, probability is 8 by 52, which is equal to 2 by 13. Question 16. A bag contains 4 red and 5 blue balls. 3 balls are drawn at random. What are the odds against these balls being blue? Option A 5 is to 37, option B 37 is to 5, C 42 is to 5 and D 5 is to 42. The solution answer is B 37 is to 5. Probability of the balls being blue PB can be stated as 5C3 divided by 9C3, which is 5 by 42, and complementary event P probability B bar is equal to 1 minus 5 by 42, that is 37 by 42. Hence, odd against the balls being blue is PB bar is to PB, that is 37 is to 5. Question 17. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting a multiple of 2 on dice 1 and multiple of 3 on dice 2. Option A 11 by 36, option B 1 by 36, option C 1 by 6 and option D 13 by 36. The correct answer is C 1 by 6. If you look at the total options available, NS 6 into 6 36. If you look at the favorable events, then 2 3, 2 6, 4 3, 4 6, 6 3 and 6 6. So, total number of favorable events NE is equal to 6 and P NE divided by NS is 6 by 36, which is equivalent to 1 by 6. Question 18. In a race, the odd favor of horses A, B, C, D are 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5, 1 is to 6 and 1 is to 7 respectively. Find the probability that one of them wins the race. Option A 19 by 20, option B 319 by 420, option C 534 by 840 and option D none of the above. If we look at the solution, correct answer is D, none of the above. The computation is, let the probability of winning the race of a horse be PA is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 4 equal to 1 by 5. PB same way is 1 by 6, PC is 1 by 7 and PD same way is 1 by 8. Hence, required probability P is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8, which is equal to 5 by 33 divided by 840, and this answer is not available. Question 19. A box contains 50 balls numbered from 1 to 50. If 2 balls are selected at random and with replacement from the box, find out the probability that the sum of the two numbers on the ball selected from the box will be even. Option A 1 by 2, option B 1 by 4, option C 1 by 8 and option D none of the above. The correct answer is A 1 by 2. If we see the probability of even and probability of odd, both are equal to 1 by 2, as there are equal numbers of even and odd numbers. There can be 3 possible combinations producing the summation as even, odd, plus odd or even, or you can have plus even. If we see the probability of even plus even is probability of even into probability of even is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Similarly, probability of odd plus odd is equal to probability of odd into probability of odd, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So, total probability you can say is probability of odd plus probability of even plus even, that is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Question 20. Let there is a machine which produces 10 products in a day. All the products are numbered from 1 to 10 as per the sequence of their production. We have to go for quality inspection. We can take maximum 4 products as a sample. Identify which one could be the better sample out of following. 1, 2, 3, 4, option A, option B 1, 3, 7, 9, option C 1, 2, 9, 10 and option D 7, 8, 9, 10. The correct answer is B 1, 3, 7, 9, as it is more random in nature and ensures that there is no systematic bias involved in collecting the sample. Question 21. Select the most appropriate option out of this. A. Population mean is an estimate of sample mean. B. Sample mean is an estimate of population mean. C. It depends on the data to be analyzed. And D. No correlation between sample and population mean. The correct answer is B. Sample mean is an estimate of population mean. Question 22. A person has a garment shop in a shopping mall. He wants to keep the optimum inventory of shirts which can improve his financial investment. Which one of the measure of central tendency can be the best one for him? Mean, median, mode, all are equally important. The answer is C, mode. He has to keep the maximum inventory for the type of shirt which is sold more frequently, and hence mode can be the better option. Question 23. A dice is thrown thrice. Player X wins if number on the dice are either 3 or 5. What is the probability that player X wins at least one time? Option A 8 by 27, option B 19 by 27, option C 1 by 27 and option D none of the above. The answer is B 19 by 27. If you look at the solution, the sample space includes 0 win 3 loss, 1 win 2 loss, 2 win 1 loss, 3 win 0 loss. If we look at the favorable events, then at least there is 1 win and 2 loss, 2 win 1 loss, 3 win and 0 loss. Probability of winning of player X is PW given as P3, probability how many it is getting 3 plus P5, which is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 and it is equal to 1 by 3. The probability that player X loses is a complementary event of PW and it is PL is equal to 1 minus PW, which is 2 by 3. Hence, the probability that player X loses thrice is PL into PL into PL, which is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 or into 3 by 3 is equal to 8 by 27, and hence probability that 1 win 2 loss, 2 win 1 loss and 3 win 0 loss, which is the set of favorable events, is 1 minus probability of 0 win in 3 loss equal to 1 minus 8 by 27, and the answer is 19 by 27. Question 24. A car manufacturing company has 5% of cars with manufacturing defects and 6% with assembly defects and 2% cars have both defects. A car is randomly selected. What is the probability that it is defective? Option A 11 by 100, option B 9 by 100, option C 13 by 100 and option D none of the above. The solution, correct answer is B 9 by 100. We know from the probability principle that probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. If PA and PB be the probabilities of manufacturing and assembly defects respectively, then PA intersection B be the probability of both the defects. This means A product has both the defects. Probability of A is 5 by 100 from the given data, probability of B is 6 by 100 and probability of A intersection B is 2 by 100. If I apply the principle of P A union B, then the probability comes out to be 9 by 100 and hence the correct answer is 9 by 100. The last question in assignment 2 is question 25. In an exam, 20%, 40%, 30% and 10% students got A, B, C and F grades respectively. A student is selected randomly. What is the probability that he got B or better grade? Option A 0.2, option B 0.4, option C 0.6 and option D 0.3. The correct answer is C 0.6. B or better grade means either grade A or grade B. Hence, probability is PA plus PB, which is 0.2 plus 0.4 equal to 0.6. So, I hope this assignment would have provided you the lot of learning and also the thorough understanding of the lectures which you have gone through during week 2. Thank you very much once again for going through the solution and understanding the concepts covered in week 2. I wish you all the best. In the subsequent lecture, I will be presenting the solution of assignment 3.